Damn it.
Alright, y'all, so I just finished up with that walk-in freezer. I'll show you the video on it later. Hopefully I can do something with this content soon. I think the video editing is probably my most difficult process, but video recording is fun, and I like to do it. So, we'll see. But anyways, that walk-in freezer had improper voltage going to my heaters, and that was all because of a bad relay that was put into the circuit, and it got cooked. So the heater got cooked, and so now, yeah, that's about it. The heater got cooked for that relay. So I had to fix all that. I fixed electrical, going up and down, trying to see why am I getting two different legs at my defrost timer, but when I go down, it's not my two legs. So it was a really weird process. I tried to just work with what was there. I didn't want to rewire too much. It was more about finding out where is this voltage coming from, why am I getting voltage up here, why is it not going down there when it should be, and to avoid any risk, I just, or more risk to the product inside of the rocket freezer, I just eliminated what was put into that circuit. Hopefully I can pull up a little snippet of it or something like that, but we'll see right now. Anyways, that's it. I got that walk-in freezer up and running again, and yeah, took out coal, put everything back together. They had a recent TXV piped in. Like, you were not gonna get the side panel in the middle, so I just left it how it was. Yeah, I also adjusted the defrost timers, probably to have a longer defrost in the night and more frequent during the day, but less defrost time during hours of operation. And that's about it. Sweet. All right. Get up there. My heaters. I use neutral. Oh, there. I'm pretty good. Oh, there you go. Trim voltage. Run voltage. Same line. They're there. UCD. You want me to close? So my UCD's open right now. Right. There's a power connector there. Shooting mark. Don't let unless my UCD closes. Which means my heater's gonna get my coil off. So defrost formation. My defrost formation, that's it. And that's on my H4 end. It's right around right now. Power. Oh, close. So my heaters, I need my coil, my hand here, one leg, on the other leg. Oh no. Here's the see, this is 282. It's 230 coil. So legs will get 232.8. Why is it though? 230. Okay, is it? Get out there. Get out there. And where you got from? Uh-oh. Oh, this is just really anyway. Incoming power. This orange wire here, there, and then how's my how am I using it anymore? There we go. Why did I get off? So what's here? Back here. What? Here's right. Is that blue somewhere? Yes. Destination. Red black.
So I had to opt in for bypassing this heater. Was it this heater safety? Only because it's not closing and it's kind of stuck open, so it's kind of bad. I'm gonna have to replace that. I can't do that right now in this current situation, so I gotta de-ice the coil first, and then from there I'm gonna have to order that part. But I'm gonna see if my next step is now I'm gonna get the proper voltage to these things. So hopefully these will, do their thing during defrost, and we can get this, walk-in freezer up and running again. Orange here. Just my hand. Down there. Got one orange here, one like there. Here. Obviously that's not powered. That's why. Is you need your compressor to run? Oh, on. Should have powered. 3. Only 3 this way. Same line. I think I gotta move over this one. And on my end right now. Alright, so I got the power to come back to the heaters finally. So now I confirmed that with the heater up here, so this. Cool. So I touched the bottom of that. I burned my finger a little bit. Now see if all the heaters are good. Bottom one feels good. This one looks like it's thawing out good. That one looks like it's thawing out now. So we'll kind of have to see because I don't have the heater safety in line now. So now it's just really dependent on when it looks good. I'm not sure the condition of the inside. Oh yeah. Maybe no, you were moving in here for sure. No way. Alright, so this is got off anyway. Most of it.
have the freezer down for too long. So, 1 degree air. It's gonna come down to like 10 probably. Anyways, that's going on. That's how you pipe that in. And that's it right now. Heater safety. I almost thought we were gonna need a new defrost board.